Hey guys, we're going to look today at some improper fractions. So, yesterday we started with a problem that said somebody had made something and they had 3 half cups of sugar. So, here we have 3 half cups of sugar. Now, one thing that's kind of confusing is a lot of people for this are putting denominator as 6. But if you notice, you're having to look at each pizza and how many slices are each pizza cut into. So obviously that's just cut into 2. So we have 2. Now we could make 2 using halves. How many halves do I have now? I have 3 halves. I have 2 that made a whole and then this one. So what I really have is 1 1/2. Okay, let's look at another one. Sometimes we're looking at something that's kind of a different kind of shape. The first thing you're going to do is find your denominator. How many pieces is this triangle broken into? Well, we can see on the bottom row we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 3 on the second row, so that's 8, and then a top one of 9. So it doesn't matter how many pieces there are in all of the pies together. What we're looking at first is the denominator. How many pieces is it cut into? And you can see here we have 2 whole triangles that are filled. And then we have a piece of another triangle that's filled. So we have 3 out of 9 filled there.